Welcome to Redline Review.
The 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach, especially the elegant lady number 915 Serrado-B Triple S-Slide Edition, represents luxury motorhome design at its best. Built on the 2025 Prevost 9660H345 chassis, this coach combines cutting-edge technology with custom craftsmanship. Decor and amenities. Liberty Coach's elegant lady number 915's interior exemplifies luxury and innovation. Contemporary linear LED paneled ceiling enhances modern look with ambient lighting. Custom-built L booth. Dinette offers flexible dining and workplace with electric sliding table and swivel top. Backlit floating entrance stairs, dramatic and welcome impact upon entry. Undermount soft close cabinet, drawers and doors, quiet and easy operation. Geometric mitered hall. Bathroom door. Design highly detailed and sophisticated. The entertainment system features a 50-inch 4K LED LCD bedroom TV and a 65-inch 4K LED LCD lower bay E-Center TV with premium KRF speaker systems. Starlink satellite system offers fast, reliable internet connectivity on the go. These elements provide a luxury home-like atmosphere. Technology and powertrain performance and reliability are provided by a Volvo D13 engine and Allison 6-speed transmission in the coach. Technological advances include Moritz Octoplex electrical architecture allows for efficient and dependable power distribution in the coach. Crestron C4 processor with Liberty Coach improved crosspoint. iPad Air interface controls onboard systems seamlessly. Prevost e-mirrors and driver assist technology package improves safety with blind spot recognition and integrated systems. Volta Power Systems installation of lithium-ion 58-volt battery provides significant off-grid power. Tier 4 compliant Onan generator installation provide eco-friendly auxiliary power. These systems work together to provide a pleasant and technologically advanced driving and living experience, climate control and comfort. The bus has 4 roof-mounted AC systems for excellent climate management. Comfort amenities include 4-zone heated flooring for warmth and comfort throughout the inside. Tankless shower water heater provides infinite hot water on demand. Hot water return system provides instant hot water to taps and shower valves. These features provide home comfort during long trips. One last thought. Modern technology, elegant design, and unmatched comfort make the 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach elegant lady number 915 the peak of luxury motorhomes. For ultimate mobile luxury, this coach is an investment in quality and lifestyle.